Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new around here, then hi, my name's Jane Sarchet and I write recipes for a living. This is Myrtle, the beautiful Volkswagen T4, and it's together in this tiny little kitchen that we bring you awesome one-pan camping recipes. Now, as you'll have just seen, yesterday we were fishing. We went on a 2-hour mackerel trip out of Looe in Cornwall, and it was great fun. We go out 2-3 times a year. I probably bought about a dozen fish home. Some I cooked up and ate last night, some are in the freezer. But this bad boy, I saved him for you guys. Now, I may not have caught the most fish on the trip, but I did catch the biggest. It's always good when you go out on a boat full of guys and you catch the biggest fish. It makes me feel good. So what we're going to do, very, very simple, because it's so fresh and they taste so good. All I'm going to do is pan fry it in a little bit of butter with some seasoned flour, and I'm going to serve it with a very simple beetroot and apple slaw, which reminds me I forgot to go and pick an apple. Let's go pick an apple. Okay, so there's Myrtle. We're actually on the farm right now. You can see where I park up. That's my chickens in behind Myrtle. And just down here is an orchard that my dad planted. Nope. Nope. Aha, look at those beauties. Which one do we want? What about that one? Oh yes, you're a beauty. Okay, apple mission complete. Now, if you're a fisherman, a fishmonger, or just an expert on the subject, please do not judge me too harshly on my lack of filleting skills, okay? I'm just someone that likes food. I'm not like trained at any of this. So this is how I do it. This isn't necessarily right, but it gets the job done. It won't be pretty, so I warn you. So you've got a fin on each side of the fish. What you want to do is oink your knife in behind that, angle the blade down towards the head, and just cut down. Turn the fish over, do the same on the other side. So knife in, angle it down towards the head, and oink down, and then push your knife down, and you will take the head off. Okay, now if you look on the belly here, you'll see that there's these fins on the bottom here. I like to cut them off as well. Just oink that down. And again on this side. Oink is a technical term, in case you were wondering. I'm going to leave the tail on because that gives me like a handle to hang on to. Then you're going to take the side of your knife, and this is not a filleting knife either. See, I really not doing this right. Put the knife in down until you hit the spine, and then very carefully slide the knife back and forwards down the spine of the fish. And there you have one beautiful fillet. Turn the fish over, cut down again, and then again cut as close to the spine as you can. There we are, there's the second one. Oh, I tell you what, for me, that's actually not bad. I'm quite happy with that. I don't know what's going on here, but okay, now you've got a ridge of bones down here, so I'm just going to slide my knife in under there. Basically, just use your fingers to feel where the bones are and just kind of hack away at it. It's much easier on a big fish because even after the hacking, you're still left with a decent amount of fish. Oh my God, I'm going to be getting hate mail after this, aren't I? Now, in theory, the only bones left in here run down the centre. So now what I'm going to do is just run my knife down either side of that centre collection of bones and take that middle section out. So there we are. Now I've completely butchered the poor thing. We're left with 4 mini fillets. Okay, now I'm going to magic over this bowl, and in here we've got flour, salt, pepper, and some hot paprika. So just give all of those a mix together, and then we can pop our pieces of mackerel into that, and you're just going to toss it around in the flour so it's all nicely coated. Now I'm just going to leave that in there while I get everything else ready. Okay, gas on, medium heat. Heat the pan up. When your pan's nice and hot, then pop some butter in. Shake off the mackerel pieces and lay them down, ideally skin side down. Now I'm going to just flip over my mackerel. Now I have a horrible feeling that I didn't just record the bit where I made the slaw, so in case that didn't come out on camera, all I did was grated one of the vacpac'd beetroot with the apple, put some lemon juice, some salt and some black pepper, mix the two, and there we are. That's it. Very simple beetroot and apple slaw. So let's see how it tastes. The skin's nice and crispy, which is good. Oh my god, mackerel is so delicious. That is absolutely beautiful. The slaw is sweet and sharp. The mackerel is buttery and crispy and rich. All in all, that's one mighty fine dinner. So hopefully you can get your hands on some really fresh mackerel and recreate this recipe in your van. Does it make your van smell of fish? Hell yeah. Do I care? Not in the slightest. I know there's people out there that won't even fry an egg inside their van, and that's fine. I'm clearly not one of them. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up if you did. Feel free to subscribe to my channel because I bring out new one-pot camping recipes every single Wednesday. And on that note, lovely people, I need to go and eat this because it's going to get cold and it tastes too good to waste. Have a brilliant week, friends, and I'll see you soon. Happy camping. Adios. Bye.